The introduction of what are called services into heritage buildings, such as electrical cables, data cables, mechanical ductwork, hydraulic pipe work, whatever it is a fact of life. In our efforts to recycle the heritage stock, we need to contemporize them. We need to allow heritage buildings to be used in the way that any normal conventional building is used. So from that point of view, it's a fact of life that you have to allow the introduction of these services into heritage buildings. Having said that, there are a number of do's and don'ts. For instance, when you are introducing electrical services, whereas in a conventional building you chase them into the wall, which means you'd literally make an opening inside the wall and then hide them with the render or the plaster over them. In heritage buildings, you surface mount those so that you increase the reversibility of all of these services. In the case of data, you usually try and put these behind skirting or run them around rooms hidden by skirting. In the case of mechanical air conditioning, we encourage what's called split systems, where you have a monitor sitting on the floor that blows out the air at any temperature you want, and then somewhere outside the building you've got the compressor. Rather than modifying a ceiling and introducing registers, we've developed ways over the years of softening the impact and increasing the reversibility of these services in a way that we maintain the integrity of the heritage building without causing damage when these services are in any later time removed, which they will be, because services and technology changes all the time, and whereas something's good for today is going to be useless in 20 years' time. So in anticipation of all of these technological changes, the general idea is to surface mount so that when you pick them up and take them out, there's very little damage to the fabric of the building.